Good morning, 7G scientists. I just wanted to take a minute and walk you through our work for science today. There is something a little bit different about the way our folders will look today and some of the things that I've said in the updates. So I thought I would just jump on and talk you through this. I am viewing this course as Ozzy right now. So Ozzy, thank you. You are at the top of my list alphabetically. So you are the winner. I'm viewing this as a student because it has much less clutter on a student page than it does on my teacher page. So thank you, Ozzy, for letting me use you as my guinea pig account for making this video. All right, so whenever you check in the morning for your work, you should always see my update. And I have posted the update here, and it's also pinned to the top. Let's read today's update. Good morning, 7G scientists. Today is 9/24/20. It is Thursday, and you guys B kids are home unexpectedly until the end of the week. So groups A and B are doing the same job today, and your task for science is to complete the assignment modeling the scientific method. It also says today we begin our studies in our Nature of Science unit. We will begin in Lesson 1, Steps of the Scientific Method. Our essential question is, how do the parts of the scientific method allow scientists to solve problems? We will be learning what makes good science good and how scientists do their work. So we have a new unit today, the Nature of Science unit, and we're going to be in Lesson 1. So how will we find our job for today for science? Well, if Schoology works the way it should, this link should take you to the assignment. So let's try it. And it looks like on my end, it worked correctly. You guys should have a button up here that says My Document, and then once you click that, the Microsoft integration should pop up and you should be able to do your work. If the Microsoft integration is not working, I also posted it down here as an attachment. You can download it, save it onto your OneDrive, and then you'll be able to email or Schoology message it to me when you're finished. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. This is the updates page. Okay, so if that link works, it'll take you straight to your assignment. If that link doesn't work, how do you find where your task is for today? Mrs. Barr always says, go to materials and check the orange folder. Here is the new orange folder. Like I said, we're starting a new unit today, which is Nature of Science. We're going to click that folder. Now something looks different here. There is more than one folder in our current unit, and that's because this is our first real 7th grade science content unit, so there's more than one lesson. So that's why in the update I told you what lesson we were on, and also to help you navigate, I also made this folder orange. So again, we are following the trail of orange folders. We're going to click this one, and here is your assignment for today, modeling the scientific method. You can click on that, and again, it's going to take you to this Microsoft integration page with the assignment attached as well. I really hope that the Microsoft integration works and that no one has any problems getting the assignment for today. I also wanted to let you know while I have you on here that I'm going to be on Zoom today from 9 to 10 and again from 12:30 to 1:30. So if you need to ask me about today's assignment, I will be on. And if you have something that you need to catch up on from lab safety, I can also help you with that. Speaking of lab safety, if you do have something you still need to make up because you got behind on your work from previous days, you'll notice that it's no longer in the orange folder. Where will you find your lab safety work? It hasn't disappeared. It just got moved down here into the blue completed units folder. So if we click on the completed units folder, we will find our Unit 1 safety folder. And then in the Unit 1 safety folder, we have your safety quiz from yesterday. And then all of the items you guys did such hard work to get ready for that safety quiz with all of your lab safety practice. So again, the folders never disappear. They just get moved into the completed units folder. Okay, I am going to post the Zoom links for 9 o'clock and 12:30 in this black folder for video conferencing and Zoom schedules. And I'll also post an update closer to 9 o'clock and 12:30. All right, guys, let me know what I can help you with. Don't be afraid to reach out. We're all learning this together, and it's going to be great. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.